I'm going to be installing this garbage disposal since our last one broke. Here's what it looks like out of the box. Also came with this stuff and that thing. This is 1/2 horsepower, just like my last one, and it's got some weight to it. So I'm going to take out the old one and put this one in. So it's actually pretty simple to disconnect the old one. You're just going to unscrew it from the plumbing. And mine is not hooked up to a dishwasher, but if yours is, you'll have to disconnect it from right there also. You want to catch the water with a bucket. So then you got this piece out of the way. After that, you're just going to unscrew this whole thing. There's a little hole right here that you can use for leverage. Just get you a screwdriver or an Allen wrench. And it comes right down pretty easily. You're going to loosen these screws and you're going to disconnect the power from the old garbage disposal. And of course, make sure to turn it off at the breaker first. Then you're going to hook this up to the new one. This one has a plate here that you take off first. White to white, black to black, and then the ground to the ground screw right there. But first you're going to feed this through that hole there. After that, tuck these wires back in, put the faceplate over it to cover it. And this garbage disposal does not come with a cable protector, but if you had one, you would put it there. Then you're going to flip the whole thing over and put it in just like you took the other one out. But first install this pipe, of course. And then lift this whole thing up, line up the latch and the plumbing the way you want. The latch is going to go over this sliding ledge right here. Then you just twist it on until it stops twisting.
Oh, you did it.
I need to twist it this way, and this thing needs to get twisted the other way.
Yeah.
We just need to twist things into a better position. If I just hold this right here, can you just twist the whole thing? There we go, there we go. A little bit more, that's good. Once that's done, put this pipe back in. Run a little water to make sure it doesn't leak. And if it passes the leak test, turn the power on and test it out. All right, here we go, the moment of truth. Looks like it's working great. Seems nice and quiet. Wasn't too awfully difficult to install. It also comes with this stopper so that you can stop it up when you're not using it. So yeah, glad that I got this new one. If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. I'm Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, I'm on a quest to review literally everything sold on Amazon. So if there's something that you need a review of, literally just tell me. Let me know in a comment and I'll literally buy it and just review it for you. Literally.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.